New today, Maine Attorney General Aaron Fry says he's been in a relationship with a worker with whom he supervised for months and says his delay in disclosing it was a, quote, error in judgment. Fry issued a statement last night in which he said Chief Deputy Attorney General Christopher Taub will supervise the worker moving forward as this personal relationship continues. He said the romantic relationship has not violated any legal rules, office policy, or law. Fry says he has met and continues to meet all of their legal obligations with the same dedication to and respect for the Maine people of Maine. A spokesperson representing Fry declined to answer further questions from the Associated Press.